Sometimes we spend so much of our life trying to be perfect, trying to say the right word, make the right decision, so the best version of ourselves that we forget something simple. Being human already make us enough. We don't need flawless skin, a perfect body, perfect marks, perfect relationship, or a perfect past to deserve respect, love, or peace. We just need to be real. That's it. Just real. But somewhere along the way, life makes us believe that real is not enough. Someone judges, someone compares us, someone says, why can you do it like them? And slowly, those words start becoming our thought. We begin to accept perfection from ourselves. We push harder. We hide our flaws. We pretended we are okay even when we were breaking inside because we think if we show our crack, people will walk away. But the truth is, you crack are what make you human. And the people meet for you will never leave because you are imperfect. In fact, they will love you more because of it. Take a deep breath, take a deep breath, slowly, gently. Let this sink it. You don't have to be perfect to be worthy. You don't have to be perfect to be loved. You don't have to be perfect to be enough. Your flaws tell a story. Your scars show the battle you survived. Your mistakes show how much you have tried. Your imperfection make you unique in a world where everyone is trying to be same. And maybe you have spent year trying to hide the part of yourself that make you different. Your sensitive heart, your shy nature, your slow progress, your insecurity, your voice, your body, and the dream that other didn't understand. But what if the thing you are hiding are actually your strengths? What if the softness you dislike is actually your greatest power? What if your mistake were lesson you needed to grow? What is your slow journey is building a stronger version of you? You see, perfection is an illusion. No one has it. Not the people you admire, not the people who look confident, not the people who smile easily. Everyone is fighting something. Everyone is healing something. Everyone is imperfect in way you can see. And that's why you don't need to fix every part of yourself. You just need to accept that being imperfect doesn't make you less, it makes you human. Think about a moment when you laugh so hard you forget all your worries. You were not perfect then. You were real. Think about the time you helped someone even when you were tired. You were not perfect then. You were kind. Think about the moment you forgave someone even when it hurt. You were not perfect then. You were strong. Think about the time you tried again after failing. You were not perfect then. You were brave. Life has never asked you to be perfect. It just asks you to show up, to try, to learn, to grow, to human. Some days you will feel confident, some day you feel lost, and someday you will wonder what you are doing. And there nothing wrong with that. You are allowed to be both a masterpiece and work in progress at the same time. And listen, maybe you have been too hard on yourself. Maybe you have punished yourself for mistakes you made year ago. Maybe you have carried guilt that should not have been put down long ago. Maybe you have been waiting to be perfect before you let yourself be happy. But happiness is not waiting for you at the end of perfection. It's here, in the moment, in the imperfect, beautiful reality of your life. Happiness comes when you stop chasing the perfect version of yourself and start loving the real version. Take another slow breath, feel your shoulder relax, feel your mind soften, and gently tell yourself, I don't need to be perfect to deserve good things. I'm enough as I am, becoming better at my own pace. You deserve rest, you deserve peace, not because you have earned it, not because you are perfect, but because you are human. And if no one has told you this lately, let me tell you, your imperfections are not something to hide. They are something to honor. They show that you are alive. They show they are trying. They show that you are growing. And one day, you will look back at this version of yourself, the one who felt unsure, the one who doubted everything, the one who tried so hard to be perfect, and you will smile because you will realize you did not need perfection. You only needed courage. Courage to show up, courage to try, courage to be real. So move gently, move slowly, move honestly. You don't have to impress the world. You don't have to compete with anyone. You don't have to hide anything. Just be you, imperfect, human, enough. Your imperfection are your fingerprint of your authenticity. Your flaws are your proof that you survived. Your story, with all its twists, cracks, and scares, is more beautiful than any perfect picture. You are not meant to be perfect, you are made to be real, and real is always enough.